Hi there, nurses. This video is going to show you some things that will help you use our discovery search, also called summon, to find articles that might be helpful to you. I'm going to do a search for pressure ulcers. Now, one thing that you'll want to do is limit the date range. They give some suggested date ranges off to the left side. I'm going to select last 5 years, but you can change that if your professor has more strict guidelines. I'm going to limit to journal articles so that I know that I'm getting, that I'm excluding things like newspaper articles and things from magazines. Down below, under discipline, I'm going to search nursing. And even within that, it'll be good to take a look and make sure that the article you're looking at has at least one nurse as an author. So I'm going to take a look at this first one from BMC Geriatrics. Sometimes if you click the article title, you will be first taken to an intermediate page. This one you're not, but I'm going to go back and look at the PDF because sometimes it is easier to see what the nurse's or what the author's credentials are. So these are the names of the authors, and it tells where they work, but not really whether they are nurses or not. I'm going to go back, and another thing you can do, if you go to advanced search and search in the publication title, I'm going to search for nurse, and I'm not nurse all the way. I'm going to put a little asterisk here. When I put the little asterisk there, that is going to search for anything that starts with NURS. So this could be nurse, nursing, nurses. It's going to search for any of those words in the publication title. So now I'll see that the articles I'm getting have nurse in the publication title. They talk about pressure ulcers. You'll see a lot of these are British journals. There will be other things that show up. Worldviews on evidence-based nursing, British Journal of Community Nursing, BMC Nursing. If you know that you want to search, I'm going to clear all these filters and clear this search. If you know that you are looking for an article, say specifically within a particular journal, like American Journal of Nursing, you can search for that journal name. Okay, so I'm going to search for American Journal of Nursing. And when I do that, at the very top of the search results, you'll see it says search within the American Journal of Nursing. I want to do that. And now I'm going to look for pressure ulcer within that. I'm putting quotation marks around that because the quotation marks will force it to search as a phrase. Again, I'm going to look for the last 5 years. These are all journal articles. The discipline is already nursing. So these are the articles that come up that are about pressure ulcers, or at least describe pressure ulcers, talk about them somewhere in here within the last 5 years from the American Journal of Nursing. In this case, there's not one of those little PDF links right in the, right under the article. If you click preview, you can see the abstract or a summary of what the article is about. If this one sounded good, I could click on that link, and it's going to, if I click full text online, it will take me to the article. Now, once I'm here, I could get it in PDF form. I could email it to myself. I could get the citation for it. You can also get the citation right here in Discovery Search or Summon, however we want to call it. you can, if you click those little quotation marks where it says cite this item, you can just select APA, and you can copy and paste that, or export it some other way. So if you have any questions about your searches during our normal hours, so 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, you can get help from a librarian by chatting with the librarian right over here to the right. There's also a little chat box here, and we will be happy to help you.